Hey guys, good morning, and of course, welcome to another section. Today being the I think 11th of November 2025. Of course, we'll be analyzing the day chart with the pound dollars. I'll be analyzing BTC and gold. And I think someone actually gave me a pair to analyze the Aussie dollar. So someone gave me the Aussie dollar to analyze. So I'll be adding that to today's analysis. So let's start with the pound dollar for today. What are we to look at? And of course, let's mark out our structures using the 4-hour time frame as a day trader. So here is a recent high, and of course, the recent low or the next low, which if broken tells us the market is likely to move in the other direction, it stays. Now we have this zone right here. Now let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see what we expect in this zone. Okay, we can actually see something like a change of momentum because if we should draw a trend line marking out this zone, you can see the market breaking below this. So does that tell us we have a sell to this zone? Let's do a confirmation candlestick on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, all right. I think we're actually expecting the distance from here to here because I'm to take this trade. That means here my stop loss is going to be somewhere here, then take profits here, of which will not be giving me up to my what is it called, my RR. So what I'm going to do is I'll wait for the market to pull back to somewhere around this previous zone. Okay, let me go ahead and delete this. I wait for the market to pull back somewhere around this zone, maybe somewhere around this zone is okay. Then my stop loss stays there. Then I put my TP here, which is definitely is never up to still my 3 RR. But then I wait for just pullback somewhere around this. Okay, but then my stop loss must definitely be here. So that's what I'm expecting right now. I'm just expecting just a little pullback to this zone, then I target it. Otherwise, it's already gone. I'm not going to chase the market, so I just leave that market to do its thing. So for pound dollar, I'm actually looking for a bearish trade next, except when it gets here, I see momentum of the market breaking above this, then I'm gonna look for a long position. Otherwise, for by breaking our 4-hour thin line, that means the market has some. I can see this bullish candlestick, this high momentum candlestick we have, and there you can see this indecision telling you that the market is yet to decide. So let's wait for what's going to happen when they finally decide. If the peers are going to be in charge, the bulls are going to be in charge, and that will tell us what to do next. So that's that for pound dollar. I'm waiting for a pullback here, then wait for my candlestick confirmation. If I can get the candlestick confirmation after the pullback, then I go short on this and target this. And of course, I drop an alert. The alert is going to be happening once the market gets to a particular structure and I feel it's time to actually take the trade. I will drop the alert to notify everyone of my next trade. And for you to get informed about my alerts, make sure you have already hit the subscribe button, and then don't forget the bell icon because that is the way they get you alerted once I drop my next video. And of course, as you can see on pound, we have a zone which we are within the market to get to. Okay, so that's going to be that for the pound dollar. So going to the next on my watch list for today, which is going to be the BTCUSD. Now for BTCUSD, yesterday I actually analyzed something. I said something about BTCUSD of being a bit bearish or giving us a bearish sign, and of course you can see this really happened this early morning, not really that yesterday. You can see the markets yesterday were just moving somewhat like a sideways, and then this morning all this took place. Then let's see what's going to happen today. Going back to the H4 again, they're marking out our recent highs and lows. Let's reduce this. Then of course our recent high is going to be this zone right here. Then the recent low is going to be actually breaking this low right here. Now some might say, why taking this, why not this? Now if you're taking this particular low and there's still another low, I'm looking for the recent low. Now this gets broken down and that's for here, which is going to be the next target. So the most recent low is this one because it's God said, if I right from here, God said there was a projection here, here, rejection. Now the market is there. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if the market is giving us signs of moving back or continuation in the downtrend, or we're going to be having the uptrend. So far, the candlestick confirmations are not really telling us signs of what's it called of bulls in charge. I'm still seeing the bears in charge. So let's go to our entering time, which is going to be the 15-minute charts. Okay, and of course on 15-minute chart, I'm not seeing any signs yet. I'm not seeing any confirmation sign of it, either the bears. We can see that the market is losing momentum and losing decision. There's a lot of indecision right here. So if I'm actually going to be looking at long on these, I expect the market to go above this, something like this. Maybe the market moves above this, then it takes off this, and then that's what I can think of going long on that. So that's what I'm expecting on this. I'm not going to go long, even if I see signs of the market actually going bulls, the bulls are taking over the market around this. I'm not still going to take it until it goes above this test and should give me signs of the bulls actually inside. Otherwise, they're going to talk about the bearish side of the market. The bearish side of the market actually is actually looking good though. But then you can see that no yet signs of the bears staying. So I still expect a break below this, a retest, and when you get to it, I want to see the confirmation before I think of going long on that. So that's so if I think of going short on this, and this is going to be my next zone right here, somewhere around here is going to be my next target. So that's going to be that for the pound, sorry, the BTC USD. So let's go to the next one, which is going to be gold. Okay, then on gold, gold is actually another great pair, or will I say pair or asset, have actually been very, very much bullish at. I'm sure you saw the trade yesterday, which was very, very awesome. I can see all these, I think that's also been around, somewhere around here was the trade which actually triggered yesterday. I think somewhere around, I think it should be somewhere from me to here. I think so. So that thing was actually very, very awesome. But then let's see what's gonna happen today. Is gold actually ready to continue in the momentum of the bulls just where we see? So let's mark our recent structure where we can see around here. You can see the market, this recent one, and of course the recent low is then going to be marking this. Now if someone might ask me why didn't I choose this as my recent low, this is totally indecisive. There was no any particular decision here, neither telling us it's a zone. So I marked the one that is actually clear, which is this. If you can see it was expected here, expected here, so I prefer that. Now that said, now going to this zone, what I'm going to be waiting for is to go to my lower time frame, which is going to be at this level now, currently in the H4. Sorry, currently in the 1H, which is the 1 hour. And of course, I'm seeing likely the market is to break above this, and that's going to be my entry. It break above this, a retest, of course, my candlestick formation, then I go long on that. So that's going to be that for this. So I'm actually still very much bullish on gold. So I'm waiting for a break of this zone. So please, I'll be dropping the alerts again. So that means we have 2 alerts to be coming up, which is going to be on the dollar and of gold and on gold. So those 2 alerts is going to be happening hopefully soon. So that is why you have to please ensure you have actually subscribed and you have followed this. So once I drop it, you get notified about the video. Now that's that for gold. So let's go to the next one, which is going to be the one that someone actually asked me to check out, which is going to be the Aussie dollar. So going to the Aussie dollar. Okay, let me remove the watch list right now. So let's go to the Aussie dollar, starting with the H42. And don't forget, you can actually still tell me your own particular pair you will like to be analyzed here too. So let's mark out our recent structure just once again, which is going to be here. And then here, once again, why is it here? Someone might ask me, why did I mark this? Because it was expected here. Here it became a resistance, then support here. Remember this H4? Support here, and then right here again. It's going to bring this support. If it does, then this is going to be the next target. But then let's confirm with our candlestick confirmations. Let's see if it's going to break below that. Currently, see with this particular candlestick formation, we are seeing that the bulls are still likely to take over this market, but that does not mean I'm going to be going long on it anytime soon. So let's see. Does that mean I'm going to be going long? Definitely no, I'm not going to be going long. I don't trade the Aussie dollar. So but if I'm trying to trade this, I don't think going long on this is actually going to be a nice idea. The best I'll be expecting is if the markets can actually break above this, then a retest of this, then I can think of going long on that. I think that's what I'll be looking at, because this particular zone for me, it's totally decisive following this particular candlestick confirmations. You can see that the market actually has momentum. They're here losing momentum. I can see momentum going back to the bears. This is a bit of indecisive, more like moving in a ranging market around this zone right here. Just as you can see it, just see the market moving in a range, going up, then coming down again. So it's better just for the market to just break above this a little of that, then going long on that. So I think let's see what the HY started saying. So overall, I think I'm still going to be bullish, and if that happens, this is going to be my next target. So it's going to be my next target. If I'm to trade this, is going to be my next target. And of course, that's if here gets broken. If this particular zone gets broken, then here is going to be my next target. Okay, so if this get broken, I move here. If this get broken, I trade it down here. So don't forget, the alert is what will tell us which we are actually to take. We are going on the long or we are going on the short. Someone might tell me, okay, why long or short? Because for now there's no confirmation. So until the confirmation is there, I'm neither going long or short until here gets broken, a retest, or here get broken and have a retest. That's it. That's going to be all for today's analysis. And don't forget, you can always drop your here you would like us to check out in the comment section. And if this video is actually useful, you can hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon on it. And if you're watching this on TikTok, you can do it to hit the follow button. And if on Facebook, you can also still follow this. And if you don't know our handles will be in the description of this video for all our social media accounts. That's it. That's going to be that for now. See you in the alert. And please do have a lovely day and a profitable day ahead.